we want to show you how to sharpen your images without failing quality. So we open the photos in the Photoshop, then click on the layer background, duplicate it. Okay, then we have a copied layer, so we will go to filters, other, high pass. So here you can choose between 0 and 1000. So we want to choose between 5 to 8, not more than that, because we don't want to have a details. We just want to have a high pass details. So we'll choose it 7. Okay, that's it. So we go to layer options and we will choose the overlay. Now we can see how the photo is different. Look at here. Yeah, it's so sharpened than the original one without dropping the quality or details.